it's been 48 hours since total wrist replacement. You'd had several surgeries before. Four surgeries in your wrist. Okay, coming from Georgia,
yes,
correct?
Coming from Georgia.
So let's see. So you haven't seen your wrist really move in a number of years, right? So let's see what you can do.
It's not gonna hurt nothing.
Nope. Promise. Okay, that's flexion. Okay.
Wow.
Bring it
a lot
back.
more than that, baby. What's
Look at that. Oh yeah, this is, you know, I mean, she's got
Unreal.
swelling, which I would expect, but then
Wow.
open your hand for me. Okay, can you bring down? Okay. How's that feel?
Amazing.
Great. And how much pain now? 48 hours after wrist replacement.
Just soreness from the
Soreness.
swelling.
Okay, I'll take soreness.
Soreness
All
from
right.
the swelling.
So we'll see you Monday to put the light cast on, or
Okay.
you know, it's too early to do that. But,
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Enjoy your weekend in Miami. This is not, you know, just keep your hand up.
Oh, well.
Your fingers moving.
I will.
All right.